But today is gonna be a good fucking day. We're going shopping right now. Hey, we do it the hidden edge way, you know what I'm saying? We're not stopping, we're not playing. If we do it the best. We do it the most.
Girou, os males de todo mundo para o espaço levou.
Guys, I'm not in the mood today, to record. But today is gonna be a good fucking day. We're going shopping right now. Gotta pick an outfit for the boat. Yesterday we had a little party. Yeah, we gotta pick an outfit. We have a boat in 2-3 hours, and then we get it rolling, baby. Let's go. All right, we arrived at the mall. Cars are parked here. Look how beautiful they are. Look at the cars. We're gonna be shopping. Thinking about like a nice linen shirt and some pants, something light, something easy. And otherwise, I'm gonna wear this, and I'm gonna say. So where are we going? He said he has an idea for an outfit. Let's see. I mean, last time we did the shopping challenge where we exchanged outfits. He did pretty well. So
first thing what we got to do is we got to go and buy this machine, right? So we're gonna figure out where they sell this. We're gonna stitch our own outfit.
Yeah.
Like that.
That's cool, yeah.
I love the pants. I don't know, bro. What do you guys think?
That's cool.
So you want little pants for sure, right?
Yeah.
So he knows he wants pants. But I
Okay.
think he needs to wear some t-shirt a little bit longer.
Okay, for
and
sure.
I think he needs to wear a linen long sleeve.
Okay.
For later. You definitely want to wear pants.
I would try shorts on, but I think like with these sandals, it falls like if the pants falls like yours. You see?
Yeah.
It just looks very nice.
Can I say something funny? You don't have to put it in. Okay. These are the broke man's Hermes.
Fucking hell.
These are the not so broke man's Hermes.
Well, what about those?
Shorts on the way.
Yeah. Shorts.
Okay. Maybe if we get a one size more, I don't care. I'll get both one size more.
Yes.
Okay?
Look at this. Look at the details. Look at the buttons. They look like what? And with pearls, yes.
That he got it. 100% Capri.
Hey, represent.
I don't know. I should have went with a big shirt.
The smaller shirt? That's what I was thinking. It's not like that one. I think is more like a fit for me, and this I think that size was big. Get better now.
You just try this one back on.
Yeah.
Because it just looks like it's too big.
Yeah.
You know? Like you need to wear the tight shirt, and if it rips, it's like I don't give a fuck.
Right.
Get me another one.
Remember, I was in Milan. We had a little party, and then we had a lot of partying. And then Owen, like we came back to hotel's lobby. We continued drinking, and I was like, fuck this shit. He did this, and remember you were there as well.
I tore mine as well.
He ripped the thing apart. The white color for shirt, or maybe I do like a dark blue.
It's different, you know. It's a very different vibe.
Do you ever sell online?
Which one do I take?
Okay, it starts at 3. Let me just fix your collar, back here. Fuck, he's full. He is. Imagine being like his tailor. Sir, could you please go down?
On the day, we're gonna try that, man. This is your eyes color. It fits with your light hair. Everything. It's gonna be unique.
At this point, you just give me compliments.
No,
Wait, some glasses.
no, I'm not. Wow. All right. Wow.
This is cool.
I'm not
bro.
sure about the pink color though.
Why?
Pink is good, bro.
Pink is so good on you,
Sick,
man.
bro.
Looks like a print. I have to tell you, man.
Pink shorts, I don't give a
But
fuck.
maybe bigger shirt, bigger this or no?
Yeah, that's the biggest. But you know, anyway, like.
What do you guys think in the comments? Pink. I don't know, like it's I fuck with it, but I think it's
Bro,
too much. I want to do that.
I'm thinking coming.
We're buying a boat today.
For you.
And how much is it?
9,085. Tony calls.
Light one.
Back on my yeah. See, I'm back on my bullshit.
Outfit is ready. Now boat is ready. Party is ready.
Our 37th or 38th birthday, which is a fucking asshole number to be celebrated. For anybody that celebrates non-whole number birthdays, dopes.
What's is
Me.
25?
I know. Look.
Is 25 a round number that you call it? Or
No,
is,
okay.
Or is it only like 20?
Let's
30?
just look, yeah, like, you know, you turn into a teenager, okay, right? You're 15, whatever. You're 18, big deal. 21, big deal. After that, it's 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, dead. Anyway,
That's so blood, bro.
I want these.
What the fuck is that?
This is an espresso cup.
Why does it have like a top just not to get
That's
cold?
just elegant.
I got you, bro. I got you. That's how you know you get old, when you want cups for your birthday.
What the fuck else?
Yeah, true.
I have
You
everything I want.
bro.
I have family, I have friends. I
You
don't
see,
have...
you see how he didn't even mention one materialistic thing? When he was thinking, when he said I have everything, he didn't mention one materialistic thing. He said I have friends, I have family.
He needs coffee mugs.
But I don't have these cups.
Hey. Looks like you got a money club, mate. Is that a new fit? I see you. I see you. I see you with the new fit. What's up, vlog? Should we do a tour of a boat or what?
We can.
Huh?
We can.
Let's do it. Okay, it's a whole dance floor here. What's up, guys? As you already know,
Hi, brother.
we got some chin chin ready. You know what I mean? Oh, guys, look what's happening. Look what's happening. What's up, bro? How are you? Very good, bro. The hidden edge on the fucking boat. Yeah, it feels good, man. It feels good to be a gangster. Look at this. All right, we got a jacuzzi
Sorry,
in
brother.
front. We got a jacuzzi in front. I'm not touching that water, bro. I don't even imagine the things that was happening in here. So when somebody else was chartering this. But come on. Now, you know, if I was like a very good vlogger, I would be like, so yeah, guys, this is what you should be doing, you know, when you work hard, this is what you achieve. Fuck that shit, bro. Just get the money and enjoy it, you know what I mean?
Have
It's
fun.
going to be a wild night, bro. How are you? You ready?
I'm trying to be ready.
Yeah, I mean, last night was heavy. Like, I need to start drinking to, you know, to start to feel better because,
I need to,
bro,
you need to subsidize it by drinking.
I'm gonna use your lens as a mirror. All right, sounds good, man. I mean, I'm gonna take you along on this boat journey. So I got Andrew. I'm truly blessed I have Andrew behind the camera. So you're gonna see some crazy shots because a lot of the times when I'm recording with my own camera, it's like I either need to speak to a person or I need to record, and now I can do both at the same time. So it's great.
Perfect.
Oh, it was like 6 guys and 15, 20
I think
girls.
9 guys and like 30 girls.
It's always like we started with 4 guys, finished with 8. Fuck
Yeah.
it.
You need to balance it out, you know?
Yeah, of course, of course. You
3 to
cannot-
1.
Yeah, 3 to 1 ratio, risk to reward, you know. Yeah, I'm down for a good time. I'm down for a good time. I have no expectations. I'm just here right now in the moment. That's the way we roll, you know. Let's get it.
Ain't got no other feeling, ain't got no other feeling without you. Ain't got no other feeling, ain't got no other feeling.
I'm Davi, and this is my first glass of wine tonight.
My name's Luke, and it's my first drink of the.
Speak louder.
My name's Luke, and it's my first drink of tonight.
Hello. My name's Mike, and this is the beginning of the end. Fucking hot as shit, sis.
I'm Andrew, and this camera is not waterproof.
There's fire in the boat. Let me show you around. So what we're having right now is some fish, some shrimp, looks like lamb with some veggies, some boiled water on top. It looks kind of want to put the finger in it, you know? Is it hard to relax with all the people here or no?
No, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Do you want some food? I can feed you while you're having a massage. It's double pleasure. You know?
How's the massage?
It's amazing. I love it.
Finally took off, having some food, music started playing, come on. Life feels much better. When I'm hungry, I'm hangry.
And so it begins.
Con solo una copa de vino y una breve charla. Es que yo siempre me descuido, como no mirarla.
Hey, we do it the hidden edge way, you know what I'm saying? We're not stopping, we're not playing. If we do it the best. We do it the most.
Yeah, y ese ritmo que va así lento, poco a poco se va violento. Vamos, vamos, vamos a hacerlo. Yo no tengo miedo, lo siento. Ya no pongas pretextos, te vi, tú también me estás viendo. Dime dónde termina el juego.
Stop playing with me. Take me to the moon.
Tú sabes bailar, se te facilita como caminar. Tú sabes bailar. Yeah, y ese ritmo que va así lento, poco a poco se va violento. Vamos, vamos, vamos al cielo. Yo no tengo miedo, lo siento. Tú sabes bailar, sabes bailar. Tú sabes bailar, sabes bailar. Cuando te veo yo quiero pegar, no lo puedo controlar.
So I went on a jet ski and literally I told the girl, I said, pull out, now we take out your phone and we record content for you, right? And what happened? She pulled out her phone and I was going very slow in circles. I said, I'm gonna go really slow. And because we were going so slow and in circles, we fucking flipped and we both fell in the water. And she was holding her phone like this. I don't know if it's working, but I told her that I will buy her a new phone if it's not working anymore. But it was her first time on jet ski. And after we came back, she was like, you're fucking crazy.
Alright, we look at it once.
And then we delete them. It's gonna be okay.
Motherfucker.
You spin my head right round when you go down, when you go down, down.
You spin my head right around when you go down, when you go down, down.
Hey, walk out the house with my swagger, hop in that window, I got places to go. People to see, time is precious, I look at my Cartier out of control. Just like my mind where I'm going, the women, the shorties know nothing but clothes. No stopping at my Pirelli's on, unlike my jewelry that's always on. I know the storm is coming, my pockets keep telling me it's gonna shower. Call up my homies, it's on and popping the night cause it's meant to be ours. We keep a fadeaway shot cause we ballin' and spittin' up Patron every hour. Look mama, ow, you just like the flowers. Girl, you the truth with all that goody power. You spin my head right round when you go down, when you go down, down.
You spin my head right around when you go down, when you go down,
From the
down.
top of the pole, I watch her go down. She got me throwing my money up. Ain't nothing more beautiful to be. It's going down, down.
I'm gonna show you around. Where are you from?
I'm from Tokyo, Japan.
Japan?
Yeah, Tokyo.
No way.
Yeah.
I've never been with a girl from Tokyo, Japan. Can you make it the first time? Never. Hey, never mind. Guys, are we gonna put this on the vlog? I don't know.